Hi everyone, this is Prakash Thapa, karate trainer. Today we'll learn how to practice karate in our home in very limited place. Check it out. We'll start to stretching our body from top to bottom. So at first we'll stretch our neck. For stretch our neck, we'll practice head up and down and side to side. Okay, so follow. Head up, down. Next, head side to side. Next, head side bend. Next, do half shoulder rolling, forward and backward. Reverse. Relax. Next, full shoulder rolling. And reverse. Do body twisting. And do body side bend. Do hip rolling. And reverse. Next, right leg up, leg press. And change. Change. And change. Same from back. Knee up. And same opposite leg. Change. Same and change. Same sidewise and change and change and change. Relax. Next, rotate your feet joint 10 times and reverse. Same opposite and reverse. Next, do leg stretch. Next, do half stretch or side sitting. Next, do front twisting or hand stretching 20 times. Next, take breath and body bend on your back side. So take full breath, release and slowly up. 5 times, do it 5. Now, raise your hand straight up, leg join, forward bend and feet touch. Next, do burpees or 5-step exercise. Follow. Front side. Do it 10 times. Next, do jumping jacks. Next, do front running fast. Do it for 2 minutes. Next, do push-ups. After push-up, take small break and drink very little water. Okay, so take 1 minute break. Welcome back, everyone. Now we will practice Kihon of karate, or very basic stance, punch, blocks and kicks. Okay, so first follow. Keep your feet like a V shape, heel joined together, hands beside your leg, touching fingers beside your thighs. This stance is called Musubidachi. Okay, so we stand on this stance to respect or bow. Next, keep your feet just as per your shoulder distance and hands straight like this. This stance is Hikodachi or Haikodachi. Okay, normal stance. Next, keep your feet just double shoulder gap and height down, knee outside, just riding a horse or sitting on a horse. This stance is called Shikodachi, feet 45 degrees outside. Okay. Next, from Hikodachi, one shoulder distance, pull your right leg back 45 degree angle and keep front leg bent, back leg tight. 60% weight of your body remains on front leg and 40% of your body weight remains on back leg. This stance is Genkotsudachi. Nikko Ashidachi. 90% of your body weight on back leg and 10% of your weight on front leg. From sidewise, 90% on back, 10% on front. This is Nikko Ashidachi. Next, we will learn how to make your punch good. Okay. To make a punch good, you first learn how to make your fist good. Your fist should be not like this, passing light or air. Your fist should be very tight, that no air or light should pass through your fist. Following Chudanzuki or middle punch, step 1, very slow. Step 1 means very slow. 1, very slow. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So follow step 1 and do it 20 times. Now follow step 2. Step 2 means little speed. Add little speed. So 1, smooth and speed little. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So follow step 2 20 times. Step 3 means little more speed and more smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So do step 3 for 20 times. After step 3, do step 4. Step 4 means more speed and more power. Try to give your maximum speed and maximum power. Okay. And remember one thing, before step 4, you have to keep your elbow just back. So while you are punching, not like this, keep your elbow back. Okay. Now do step 4, more speed and more power. Hope you learn it well and you should practice it well. Do it. After Zuki comes Uki or block. So again, when are you doing any techniques, punch, block or kick, you should follow 4 steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. So first we will practice Jodan Uki or upper block. So while are you practicing Jodan Uki, keep your front hand just in front of your forehead and elbow slide downward. Okay, now first step is do very slow, down and up, very slow, down and up, very slow. Do it. So do it. If you are very new, do it at least 50 times. Okay, so this is step 1. Step 2 of Jodan Uki or upper block. So step 2 is follow your step 1 with little speed and little more smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it just very smoothly. Okay. So again step 2, do it 50 times. Now it comes step 3. So do it with more speed but no power. So again do it 50 times. Now step 4 of Jodan Uki block with maximum speed and maximum power. Do it 50 times. Next, do Jodan Uki or middle block. So follow step 1 very slow. Very slow. Do it very slow. Very slow. Okay. After step 1, follow step 2. Little speed. Little speed. But try to do it very smooth. 50. After 50, follow step 3. More speed, but no power. After step 3 and completing 50 times, now go for step 4. Maximum speed and power. Next, it's time for practice down block or Gedan Uki. So, before doing Gedan Uki, you should keep one hand down and one hand beside your ribs. So, first do it following step 1 very slow. 1, left hand, right side, very slow block. 2, right hand, left side, very slow. So, 1, very slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so do it for 50 times. Now follow step 2. Step 2 is little more smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So do it 50 times following step 2. After step 2, then do following step 3. More smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So follow step 3 and do it for 50 times. Now follow step 4. More speed and more power. 1, 2. Okay. So do it for 50 times at least. Next, we will practice some kicks. First, stand on a fighting stance. Keep your front leg bent and back leg relax. Okay. Now guard your face like this Now raise your back leg straight up and down. It's called front swing. So back leg straight up and down. Back leg straight up and down. Okay, so do it for 20 times. After 20, change your leg. Now same back leg, straight up and down. Straight up and down. So do it 20-20 both legs. Okay, now do in swing. In swing means rotation of your leg from outside to inside. Okay, follow. 1, 2 and 3. Do it 20 times with right leg. After 20, change your leg and same with your left leg. So do it 20 with right, 20 with left. Now do outswing. Outswing means rotation of your leg from inside to outside. Okay, follow. So outswing. (20 times). Now after 20, you should change your leg and do again with your left. Okay, so do it. Now we'll practice Shudan Maigiri or Maigiri. Okay, while you are practicing Maigiri, you should follow again step 1. So first stand on Jigu Swachi. Step 1, raise your knee up. 2, kick back and 3 down. So 1, knee up. 2, kick back, 3 down. 1, 2, 3. Step 2, do it more smooth. 1, 2, 3. Step 3, more speed. And step 4, speed power. So do it every step at least 20, 20, 20. Next, we will practice Mao Shigiri. While you are practicing Mao Shigiri, so again follow step 1 very slow. Okay, raise your knee up sidewise. 1, sidewise. 2, turn, kick, bend and slowly down. Follow very slow. 1, sidewise. 2, 3. Okay, so follow step 1 and do it at least for 20. Next, follow step 2. Little smooth. Okay, 1, little smooth. 2 and 3. Okay, do it for 20 times. Okay. After step 2, now go for step 3. Do it more speed, more smooth. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so do it for 20 times. After step 3, do for step 4. More speed and power. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so do it. Okay, now we will practice some basic Kumite skills or basic Kumite techniques. Okay, first, fighting stance. Okay, body weight on both legs, just relax. Okay, control your body weight with your both feet and keep your body just relax. Okay, this is called Kamae Dachi or fighting stance. Okay, from this stance, first you should practice Kizamizuki, front hand face punch and back hand face punch. So Kizame, do it very slow. While you are punching, you should stretch your shoulder out. Shoulder out. So while you are doing Kizame, shoulder out. Do it at least for 100 times. After Kizame, practice Gyakuzuki or reverse punch. Okay. So while you are practicing Gyakuzuki, shoulder and hip stretch out and back, shoulder and hip, stretch out and back. So do it very slow. Step 1. Now follow step 2. Step 3. And step 4. Do every step at least for 50 times. This is all enough for today. Some more skills we'll practice on another day. Till then, bye. But don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and ring the bell. Thank you for watching. Coach